Another question I want to ask is, according to from Genesis chapter 6, everything started happening, and in that place was when that period was when God commanded Noah to build ark. All right, and then Noah built the ark, and the animals, all the animals entered, male and female, including human beings. Noah and his wife, male and female, they entered, right? And the water finally came, destroyed the earth, and the ark was on the water. And then after some 140 or 100 and something days, so like that, the water dried and the ark came down, right? And then all the living things in the ark started coming out, and the world started afresh, right? Now this is my question. You know that lion feed on fresh meat, and lion was in the ark. Bear feed on fresh meat, and bear was in the ark. Leopard, all those high animals, hyenas, cheetah, many of them they feed on living animals, and they were in the ark. And those animals that those high animals feed on are also in that ark. Now let me say that God had mercy on those animals to recreate, and and they began to feed the earth again. Now then my question is, how long did lion, leopard, bear, all those animals, how long did they went hungry to wait until those their prey recreates plenty before the lion and others started eating? This is my question. If this story is true, how many years did lion have to go hungry, keep waiting? Not only lion, no, leopard, cheetah, hyena, many of them, they had to go hungry for many years, waiting for these animals to give birth and plenty before they start killing them and start eating them. This is a question. We should go through these stories properly. Those days are gone. Those days you tell us, don't ask questions, no, you provoke God. No. We have to be asking questions now. There are many things we need to know. I want to know, how long did they go hungry, waiting for their prey to get plenty? And I know before you start killing any animal, you have to allow the animal to give birth, and the child will give another birth, and the child, they have to be plenty, so that when you kill 10 in a day, 100 will still remain. Not when they give birth, you just eat that one, and they still remain male and female. So how long did they go hungry to make sure these animals, procreate, and then they start eating them, and then they feed the whole earth? There is a question. This thing needs an answer. I really still need an answer to it. All right, how did they do it? How did it happen? That's my question. How did it happen? So thank you.